Hello, welcome. Tonight we're currently parked at Mollymook beach and very exciting news, we had our first hot water shower in within the last 2.5 weeks, so we're pretty happy about it. And it's a rainy, cold night, so feeling good. So we're probably just gonna make dinner and then go find a spot to sleep for the night. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, just thought I'd update you what's been happening the last few days. As you saw last night, we had a little dance party in the back of the van. It was a bit of a rainy night. Woke up in Mollymook this morning, went to the markets, and then we spent the day in Bateman's Bay, and now we're spontaneously off to Canberra to see Ben's friend. And yeah, so that's what's been happening. And we also bought a ticket, a ferry ticket to Tasmania for March, but we're on a wait list to get back because the next availability to get back was not until May, and we didn't want to be in Tasmania for that long. So fingers crossed someone cancels and then we can get a ticket. But yeah, we'll find out later on. So fingers crossed we can get there. So if not, I guess we'll just have to do it at the end of the trip, or maybe do it another time. But Tasmania was one of the main places we really wanted to go see, so fingers crossed. Hello, so we just spent a few nights in Canberra and now we're in, where are we? Numbelina? Wait, let me figure that out. So we're in a suburb called Numbelina. It's about a 20-minute drive out of Cooma, and we've got a pretty good spot. I'll show you. This cool little free campsite. Not a bad setup. Hello, so Ben and I are currently walking down a steep hill in Yarrabilly and we're going to a thermal pool.
So for those who didn't know, this is our little shower setup. Just a solar shower which we fill up with hot water. Got a little shower curtain if you need it.
Hello, so we've left Jindabyne today and now we've ended up in Cobargo, and we're at Cobargo Hotel Motel. It's really cool. They have a free campsite in their backyard of the pub, and hot showers are $5, which is great. So all the van lifers are out there. It's stunning. So tonight I'm trying the new TikTok trend of the feta and tomato pasta. We don't have an oven, but we'll see how it goes. moment of truth. Here we go. So good. Highly recommend. It's literally just tomatoes and feta. Do you like it?
It's good. No, vodka pasta's better.
Oh yeah, vodka pasta. That wins. Hello, so we just spent a night last night in Bermagui and we had a lovely walk today to go see the horse head, and we just enjoyed a yummy dinner. And where are we?
We're at a beach called
Cuttagy. So we're just eating here and then we'll go find somewhere to park for tonight. Anyway, just want to thank you for watching this far into my video, and I'll see you in the next one.